Hey there and welcome to JP's Workshop. Today we are gonna unbox our new tripod, which is from Digitech, and the model number is DTR550LT. Let's first look at the specs. It can take a load of 5 kg. It can height up to 5.57 feet, and the folded height is 615 mm, and the weight of the tripod itself is 1.2 kgs, and it can open up to 3 sections: 1, 2 and 3. So now let's unbox it. It is a good quality cover, I can say, because my last tripod's cover was very low quality and the threads where it was sewed were coming out in around 1 or 2 months only. So now let's see how its quality is. The plastic wrap is also of a good thick quality. It's around above 50 microns, I think. Oh, we also got a mobile adapter for free, mobile holder for free. I can say it is a pretty heavy tripod. So let's see how it rolls. It's more smoother than the tripod right now I am shooting on. It feels very smooth, like it is oiled just now, but I think there is no oil inside. This also goes very smooth. Wow, it's a great thing, I love it. And now let's pull up the legs. The legs are too thick and are made up of a good quality of aluminum, and this part is also very smooth. I like that. This is slight tight, not coming out easily, and I think it should be tight, because if it is not tight and it will come out easily, then there is no fun. You may not be seeing the legs, but now you may be seeing it. It is of good height. Also it can extend from here. I'll do that right now. Here is the pulley thing from which we can increase the height. Oh wow, it is more heighted than me, but when I floor the legs, it is a inch or a 2 smaller than me. But then also I don't need any greater height than this. Or you can do this also. You don't need to do too much of this. You can easily do this and also pull it up like this. But I think the systematic way is this. So please don't do this thing, because due to this you can break your tripod. So keep your things in a systematic way. Also we get a handle to hold it with a single hand. You can hold from here, but it is a balanced handle. So if there is a heavy camera on it, and if you pull with this thing, then the camera will also be steady on it, and you will not feel weight on either side of the hand. Otherwise it will fall like this. If you hold from here, then it will fall like this. Also there is a very good function here, that the tripod is going like this easily. It is locking here, not going away. But if you wanna lock in between somewhere, you can do this thing. Just slide tight and see, it is locked here. So if you wanna make it more higher, say like this, then you can just go like this and lock it over here. Yes, that's it. You need to tighten it up, and yes, it will not go down. So that's it. This is the Digitech DTR 550 LT, and yeah, I feel good about it, but I'll tell in my some next video that how I can feel ease about using it. Also, I think it is a good one, so it don't need any detailed review. You can go just buy it from the link below. I have mentioned it. So yes, if you have got good amount of information about this tripod on my video and you have liked this video, then go down, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel JP's Workshop. Also share this video as much as possible with your friends and family. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, peace.